Alright, here's Tyler getting how would you say it?
Blow dried.
Blow dried. He was screaming a minute ago, but now he's in paradise. Let's take a look at his face. Pretty comfortable. Okay, this is a baby that was screaming a minute ago. Yeah, let's move the blow dryer and see what happens. Okay, let's do the blow dryer. There it is. Oh yeah. Very nice. He's happy again. What do you think about that, Tyler? Huh? Pretty nice? Pretty nice, huh? Wow. Adults would probably like that too. It would just be kind of strange. Alright.